Hello everyone. I have something for you. Don't you think it's a bit weird that ads play through my videos and I don't get a single cut of it? I know I'm a small content creator, but I do spend a lot of time and passion on my videos. And don't you think it's a bit unfair that you have to watch through those ads or pay nearly $20 a month just to get rid of them with no other valuable benefits? Yeah. But I think there's a solution for the both of us. All of my vlogs, yes, all of them, will be available ad-free on Patreon for just $3 a month. And the best part of that is it all goes back to me, which goes back to you in the form of better content. For those $3 a month, you also don't just get the vlogs ad-free, you get ski videos ad-free, and those aren't even on YouTube, so that's incredible. So I hope you go check out my Patreon. The link is in the description, and it is on the screen, and it has been for a while now. Thank you so much for supporting me in any way that you can.